Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Alright, we got the first spoiler for the September Yes Oh Yes box. Now before we get started, if anybody's new, hi, my name's Mandy. Make sure you subscribe to my video before you leave and also hit that little notification bell. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers. And another thing before we jump right into it, guys, the first comment on my last video, which was the Believe Beauty, about my Believe Beauty sponge, a kind of weird video. I'll link it below if y'all ain't seen it. Congratulations, Laura Haynes. You was first, love. Now, Laura says, I love your videos. I'm from South Carolina and I live in New Jersey, and you remind me of home. Thanks for that. First. Well, Laura, I guess you know I'm from South Carolina too, but now live in Ohio, so it sounds like we're almost in the same boat. But are people really as mean as what they say they are in New Jersey? I don't know, I'm just asking. I really appreciate you having your notification bell on, and I love you so much. Thank you, Laura. Now, for the spoiler. Alright guys, again, this is the first revealed spoiler for September. We also got some October spoilers. It was the palettes. That video is also going to be linked below. The first spoiler for September is Lancome. Now this is going to be a variant item. It's the Lancome waterproof eyeliner. It looks like one of them gel pencils with the smudger on the other end of it. These work pretty good. I do like them. Now I don't know. I've never used this one. You know, it's a little bit too rich for my blood, but let me know how it goes, guys. It's a variant item, so I don't know. Maybe it's variant, like there's going to be different shades of it or something. I don't know. But as soon as they reveal any more information or any more spoilers, I will update you guys. Now, to read the message that I picked from that video. Congratulations, April Brady. And she says, the red ink looks like it says Sam to me, laugh out loud. You might want to ask the ghost what his name is. Well, April, first of all, thanks for the comment. And second of all, I hope that's short for Samantha, because that's kind of scary, don't you think? And then he's going around writing on people's beauty blenders and stuff. I think we got one rude ghost on our hands, y'all. Anyways, I appreciate you so much, and I'm so proud to have you a part of my family. Thank you so much, April. Now, guys, as always, Yes Oh Yes is linked below, and if you want to check them out, I do have a code for you to use at SelfTaught Beauty, and that's in all caps. That'll get you 10% off of your first box. I make a little commission off of it, but you also get a discount, so I feel like it's a win-win for both of us. Guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss none of these here spoilers. And also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down if you didn't. That really just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking. And one more tiny favor before you guys leave this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. You got to go down there and push that button. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.